coach from Southend. We've got no music. Can somebody go to the music desk, please? Let's give them a big clap while we're waiting for the music, guys. Show them some encouragement.
The world, you think we lack the power? You're wrong, we're the girls. Get ready for the smackdown, tearing up the stage. Girls burning up, yeah, we need the crowd amazed.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Eliminated. Around the world. Girls, jump the line. Ladies, you're on fire.
This is our time. Ladies, do it proud. Put a heart and soul. Girls are about to get it now. All girls on the stage, ready to dominate. Doubt all you want, but you'll never be as great.
Never. Why walk when we can soar? Tough girls all the way to the core.
You think we're big girls? That's your first impression. But after this time, we'll be your new obsession.
You know they always bring the blaze when they hop on the stage. That girl power's got the fire that will leave you amazed.
Spotlight on me, we're the ladies you wanna be. Show you ladies, yeah, the world sing about to be ladies.
No boys needed, cause we fight like a girl. Not here to be defeated.
No way.
Yeah, we run the world.
We play our favorite songs and we swing out all night long like ooh, oh. When it's just me and myself.
Represent.
Get your stunt on.
Yeah.
Get them girls up.
Okay.
Pop them high, twist them down, flip them back up.
What?
Ladies, rock it out, show them what we're all about.
Come on.
Put your face up, cause we're ready to fight. Got some big dreams, but we're ready to fly. When we hit the floor, we ain't gonna play nice. Got that intensity. Ladies, all across the world, listen to us. So we're cruising, we believe in city, hands stand up in salutes. Representing all over, salute. Attention, salute. Attention, salute. Attention, all the women, salute. Let's dance. Rock it, girl. Turn up the heat like whoa. Always heat up, we never get cold. DJ, turn up the beat, turn up the bass. Y'all looking at the best. We bad girls, we run the world. Do what we want, get what we want. We bad girls, we run the world. Do what we want, get what we want.
And that was Southend Elite. Spectators, stay where you are. Cheerleaders, you can come down to the front and watch your next team. Spectators, Southend Elite, Catwoman will be on next. So you'll be on again. So spectators.